Kalaban daw ata nila Wild Dogs.
Hindi, kalaban. Nandito na daw eh, sabi nila eh. Sabi ng hindi pa
Party yata yan, Mugi eh.
Check ko, Mugi. Check ko. Nandito na ako sa Delta. Agila.
Agila to, Agila.
6DA. 6DA.
Naku, nag-over.
Yo, listen.
Dito sila, oh.
Spread behind them, come southeast side ng castle muna. Lalaban ba sila? Yan ang tanong ko, lalaban ba sila?
Tumatakbo sila eh.
Maliit.
Tumatakbo.
Come northwest.
Maalis sila eh.
Come back southwest. One scout stay on Agila. Everybody else come southwest.
Yeah, dito ako.
Nawala ng alay hounds.
Invite party guys.
Parang may balak na atang papasok eh.
Depress nyo kasi kagabi. Kaya kasi.
Tulungan sa duns.
May southeast dito. Ingat. Come southwest.
Oy.
1v1 daw, oh.
1v1 sila sa dito sa dun sa likod.
1v1.
Papantay mo sa duns.
Nung gawa sila ng
Level
alay.
7 sila.
Nung gawa sila alay na hounds. Ano nila?
Huwag na yung sisilip dyan. Isa
Nadrop
na,
ko na to.
scout tayo dyan eh.
Ikot lahat sa ilang districts
Basta
tayo.
tulong ah. Dinis mo tanong lang sa si...
Yo, northeast.
Where?
Ping.
Dito.
Northeast sa may portal banda.
Yeah, safe na ako.
Safe lang.
Yo, isang scout sa
1v1 lang
northeast
daw,
lang.
Mugi.
Isang scout sa northeast.
Gago, mag-Dota na lang sila kung gusto nila ng fair fight.
Sabi mo ayaw. Sabi mo ayaw ng ayaw ng ito. Sabi mo ayaw ng
Ay,
ito.
sisilip yan, oy. Yung caller niya nasa ano? Sa
Come
issue.
notice. Yo, party 2 stay muna kayo dyan. Balonin na sa party 2 ka, diba?
Oo.
Ikaw ba na mag-call ng brawl squad dyan? Come notice nga. Tulungan mo tong yug to if ever. Sinabi mo ba no? Kasi ayaw ng ano eh.
Okay daw, okay daw.
Ano okay? Ibig sabihin okay.
Oo, okay daw eh.
Ano yung okay? Yo, come southwest mo rin yung nga to.
Okay daw.
Again,
Sinabi ko ayaw ng yugto, sabi okay.
Ayan, na-dismount. Na-dismount yung gago.
Pinalo ako nito oh.
Yeah, turning back northwest. North pala. Tayo nyo pa.
Raulo ay nagtatanong, can we have sex daw?
Gusto nila after ng HO drop mga ganap. So sabihin mo, hindi ko sabihin HO drop, sabihin mo 7 UTC, gusto ba nila dumama? Kasi feeling ko, kinilazerg nila yun. Pag hindi nila kinalati, 6 disarray lang sila, medyo neat naman nila. Any info sounds? Nakita ko nga Bay Purple Castle.
Tatanungin si Hound.
Level 8 na sila.
Sino?
Hindi nakasagot eh. So, tinanong ko kung gusto nila 7 UTC. Hindi nakasagot.
Sure, antay muna tayo. Tingnan natin. May scout pa ako sa Quicksands. Balik ka dun.
Second fight daw.
Ano?
Wait lang. Anong second fight?
Ano second flight?
Babalik daw ata yung Hounds.
Balik
Yung
ka
Hounds.
sa balik ka sa Mugi.
Okay. Yo, listen, regroup sa akin yung party 2 din.
16
I
to
think
50
they're
to
gonna
Quicksand.
utilize the walang disarray. Kaya nag-drop sila ng alliance.
Dati dito tinayo eh. Dito.
Si Big Boss, 45.
Nasaan? Nakadulo.
Bisdak.
Bistak yan.
Ah, okay.
Iwanan ko na ba itong Agila, Mugi?
Start. Ano?
Iwanan ko na itong Agila.
Diyan ka muna. Nasaan yun sila, diba Delta?
Hindi mo rin matulak.
Big love fixed ah. Zoning down.
Lumalapit na sila sa castle.
Yeah, everyone regroup sa akin.
The Hounds ah.
Okay, dismount sa akin.
Yung call lang nila.
Ilang percent yan?
Next finish yung DC, ano?
Wala.
Okay. Come sa tis. Yung WOC kapag kailangan nyo. Kasi baka makalaban rin natin ng
Mounted pa
Agila.
rin sila.
Yo, listen, wake up. Huwag
16 DA.
niyo pa-bonk yung hideout, okay? 16 DA sila, so mas malaki yung pwede nating...
Same day tayo,
Army
Mogi. Same
naman.
day tayo.
Yes. Don't panic, chill. Manika, chill, okay? Yung sila.
On ping.
Okay.
Mugi, mag-castle na yung Agila. Balik na ako dyan.
Punta ka saan? Come south. Full run over natin to ah. Kailangan ko lang isang tao nagsa-scout dito.
Parang feel ko yung magbubong kata South PH eh. Well, fighting tayo eh.
Kasatis. Yan. Tapos may 8% Agila sa sa kabilang zone.
Kaya yan. Ay, oo nga, parang mag-alay yata yan, Mogi. Kaya nag-quit yan.
Bayan mo. Dali sila. Dadagdag lang sila ng destroy sa isa't isa.
Dito na lang muna ako, Mugi. Baka biglang
Kahit hold ka lang sa southwest side ng Delta.
Dismounted na sila.
Okay, dismounted na sila. Yo, everyone,
Nagosin.
may mga mounted sa kanila?
Wala.
Okay. Yo, I need little scouts here. Mga tatlo. 2 DPS, isang healer. Kasi most likely South PH, nyo. Come northwest. Everyone step up northwest. Come north. Basta may tao sa hideout come northwest.
Pasarap mo na, Mugi nasa.
Yes. Defenses get ready. Spread. Okay. Yo, Daddy B, give me a fake. Everyone on the clerical northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the clerical northwest.
Very nice.
Okay, spread south, spread southeast. Okay, spread southeast. Huwag mo na kayo magpupush. Ready defenses. Spread kayo. Careful. Our back's getting broad. Heal up the back. Okay. Yo, walk in and spread. Defense southeast. Nice. Yo, find me, Hold on, give me a fake. A big ass fake. Nice one. Everything on me. West side. 5. West side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Now keep brawling, spread. Push southeast, guys. Spread kayo. Brawl, spread southeast. Yeah, looking. Careful. Looking. Ready defenses. Looking. Ready defenses. Push southeast, guys. Mag-regroup kayo southeast. Huwag kayong mag-overbrawl, okay? Careful, okay? Come southeast. Keep kami southeast, okay? Spread. Ready defenses. We're gonna counter. Keep kami. Yo, we're gonna counter. Everything north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything north. Nice. Kilagi. Nice. The exit kayo, okay? You just run over. Yo, what's happening to that dog? Is it getting bombed? Just brawl.
Kailangan notice
Yeah, come northeast. Patay color nila. Come northeast. Brawl them.
Pulot ako namatay.
Brawl. Yo, look at the choke. Get ready. Hold the choke. Yo, get ready. Full defense. Northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the choke. Just wipe your shit, man.
Walang focus dun, sayang.
Okay, nice. Just run them over. Yo, how many died sa atin? Yung mga namatay? Ba't namatay ka pa?
Point 4 dito.
Pinunol ako sa taas. Wala akong kasamang
On ping. Point 4.
Yo, what's happening inside?
Wala. Here.
Okay. Yo, everyone, chill muna tayo. Loot up everything. Another good donation from them.
Patay din yung universe.
Oh my god.
Yo, how many died? Yo, X up in alliance if you died. I wanna know the number of people that died. Penge. How dare you die?
Dalawa lang ata dito
Well, di ako hinuholy beam ni Gemma, hinuholy beam ko yung iba. Wala ko
Hindi, hinihil ko kasi yung sila unpro. Hindi ko nakita na sorry. Ang dami rin kasi look sa likod eh.
Dalawa lang ata namatay dito, Mugi.
Tatlo na namatay sa atin. Not worth it! Tatlo namatay sa atin! Sabihin nyo one more.
Sige, takbo.
Wala na akong batong defensive eh.
Yeah, wait lang. Yo, brawlers stay here. Everyone, my party come northeast.
Pero yung small glob sa northwest.
Oh,
What's happening sa northeast?
Hounds to, Hounds. Nagre-regroup yung Hounds dito sa ping.
Nagre-regroup na naman sila.
Oh, dito.
Mayaman talaga tong Hounds, par.
Akala mo lang yan, pero nade-depress na yung mga yan. Sinisigawan na Eki yan.
Everyday donation, par.
Yo, I need scouts on Northeast. I need 1 scouts on Northeast. Most likely, ang Agila pupunta na dito. Na-wipe yung Gyugto.
Wala pa. Nagpa-fight pa sila sa castle. Piniflip na nila.
Hindi, wipe na daw yun.
Dito ako.
Sabi ni Papi Chulo, na-wipe na daw.
Wala na yung
Yung gito?
wala na.
Sabi ng Hounds, welcome Harley ka daw.
Welcome, sabi mo goodbye.
Inakap na, papunta na dyan ng Agila.
So, papunta Agila sa atin
'Tigas na ko!
Listen up, 1v2 to. 1v2.
10DA sila dito, Mogi. 10DA.
Sige.
Third round, boys.
Buti tumutulong yan.
May PD2 man.
Nakakasal ko yun, guys.
Castle comp yan, pero kasi may Hammersman sila. So, either way, magkakait-kait lang yan parehong yan kung mag-handled man lang yan. Pero,
My bad.
PT2 daw, Mogi. Full na ba?
Wala, full na kapit ito. Pag T3 ka, gawa ka pa.
how many brawlers 42? How many brawlers 42?
5?
Lima lang kayo.
5.
Kamutin yung brawlers.
Daming
Ay!
tank support, ano eh.
6
Battle
ata,
mount.
6.
Apat din na healer.
Namatay kasi si Universe kanina eh.
Shit, ang dami nyo palang healer. Gusto ko sana ipapush yun yung Agila eh. Pag ano sila ng gano'n. Brawl. Tingnan natin. Nag-regroup na naman yung third donation na
Papunta
nila.
na dyan Agila, Mogi.
Healer na.
Yeah. Go. Let them. Yo, listen. I don't care about hideout, okay?
Fight!
We win this 1v2. Fucking demoralize sila. Pangatlong beses na mag-regear yung Hounds para dito. Okay.
Mark na lang si Iska, si Mogi.
Brawl sila, Mogi.
Agila, brawl. Full brawl. Wow.
Zone na dito, Mogi zoning.
First time. Everyone dismount on me. Naglalag ako.
Zone.
Sige.
Black brawl pala. Sorry. Black brawl. May Rick dyan.
May bomb sila, bomb.
Wala yata tayo ng brawlers. GA pa-watch ng bomb and brawlers din. Yo, listen, brawlers, kapag nag-engage yung bomb, let's say from a different direction, pasukin nyo, i-brawl nyo.
Chrono, magano ko Chrono, yung bombs ko din.
Ano?
Sige, unahin.
Snap ka sa side shot para ma-mark ito.
Spam daw, spam.
Nagre-regroup na sila. Dito na si Egi.
Sige. Yo, listen. Pag nag-golem form si Eki, one-shotin natin Walang kahit ano defensive yun. Sobrang lambot pala niya. Kanina pa.
Di na siya naka-golem, naka 100 piece na lang.
Wow, naka-100 na siya. Okay, sige. Smart move. Okay, yo, listen. Yan yung Agila. Naka-handhold yan pareho Pareho silang pumasok ng zone, okay? Yo, hold kayo dito.
Yan, so pwede yung pamark ng bomb.
Listen, makinig kayo. Yo, listen, I need 2 death tanks watching my northwest side. Okay, we're gonna face Agila first, Listen, if Hounds engages deep, we're gonna full turn on Hounds, we're gonna full push Hounds, Yeah. I just need 2 death tanks watching my west side, Where's Agila? Ayos on Agila.
Here. Nandito ako sa Agila.
Okay.
West side dismounted.
Okay. Yeah, I know. Just chill, guys. Okay?
Hindi pa nag-zone in yung ibang
Nag-go na rin sila.
Marami pang nasa Delta.
Sige.
Put up,
Engage yun ako.
Ingat ka, balik ka. Yo, northwest, get ready. Northwest shallow. Wait. Come back. Okay, spread
Hindi, parang may melee sila sa west.
Yeah. Sige. Okay. Yo, wrap north here. Come north here. Okay? Oh, do. I'm gonna be a fake now. Southwest. Spread kayo. Huwag kayong mag-push in, okay? Wait lang. Hold lang. Yo, Daddy B, ako fake.
Miro sa
Find me, guys. Find me. Okay. Yo, look at me. Look at the ground. Walking west. Look at the ground. Walking west. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me. Top me. Then spread agad kayo. Spread kayo. Spread and brawl. Full brawl, guys. Full brawl. Yo, full brawl. Set sila nag-dismount. Okay, full brawl. Okay, hold on. So, guys, find me. Okay, wait. Okay, hold. Find me. My party, okay? My party, find me. Look at south. South. 5, South, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything south, everything south, everything south, everything south, everything south, everything south, everything south. Nice, nice hit, nice hit. Heal up agad, heal up agad. Heal up agad. Come northwest here, okay? Spread kayo northwest side, spread kayo northwest side. Brown shallow lang ha. Huwag kayong mag-overball ha. Find, hold southwest, defend southwest, defend southwest, defend southwest, defend southwest, okay? Heal up agad, heal up agad, heal up agad, heal up agad, heal up on me, okay? Good, good, good. Heal up, okay? Come northwest, come northwest, come northwest, come northwest, come northwest lang. Come northwest ba, come northwest ba, come northwest ba, come northwest ba. Come northwest ba, okay? Come northwest ba. Come northwest ba, okay? Nice, nice, okay. Just hold, heal up northwest guys, heal up northwest, heal up northwest. Look at south, look south side on hounds. 5, south side, 4, 3, 2, 1, south shallow. It's okay. Just wipe them. Good, brawl shallow, okay? Nice. Walk easier. Walk easier, okay? Heal up. Spread kayo. Okay, come northwest. Spread kayo northwest side. Yes, spread kayo northwest side. Andap kayo, Judy. Defense on me, okay? Nice, heal up on me. Okay, nice. Wait, boys, regroup on me, okay? Wait. South side, on the hideout. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, south side. Delete nyo to. Okay, nice, come northwest here. Defend the back. Uy, defenses, wake up. Heal up. Okay, nice. Heal up lang. Come north side. Heal up. Okay, spread and brawl. Okay, nice. Just hold. Okay, yo, Agila looking. We're gonna engage at Agila 5 seconds. Just hold. Spread north. Keep pushing north. Okay, come south. Walk south. Look at hounds. Southeast. Get ready. Southeast 5. Southeast 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Ay, come back northwest. Okay, come back northwest muna. Yo, come back northwest. Northwest, boys. Northwest. Yo, northwest muna. Come northwest. Yo, brothers. Yo, unbroken. You fucking listen, nigga. Listen. Okay, come northwest. Nahihirapan yung healers ko sa mga brawlers kasi nag-overextend kayo. Come northwest. Come on, stop being stupid. Okay, come northwest. Ready defenses ha. Come northwest ba. Northwest lang. Keep walking. Wala dapat nakaklap sa inyo. Keep walking. West side. Defense. Walking west. Find me. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side. Full push hounds here. Depth ng soul east side. Full push west side. Keep pushing. Heal me in the front. I'm dead. Everyone's dead. Yung brawlers. Oh my god, man. Brawlers. Ilang beses ko lang sabihin sa inyo. Mag-chill kayo. Nag-overextend na naman kayo eh. Yung healers ko nahihirapan sa inyo. Okay? Nahihirapan yung healers ko. Promise. Sobrang hirap sila. Hindi okay na yung content.
Yung nag-hold ng handhold bigla sila par.
Hindi. Wala akong pake sa handhold nila. Wala akong pake. Okay? Pero, listen, yung Zerg sobrang, it's a fucking mess. Really, a mess talaga.